Hi everyone, we are going to start by creating an AWS account. You need to go to aws.amazon.com and you'll see this page and go and click on sign into console. So this is the main page of Amazon. Once you go into sign into console, this is the page you go to and you need your email, account name, and password. So just type in the email address, choose an account name that you will see on your dashboard, and verify your email address. Once it's verified, you can continue with your password. And this will be your root user password and root user. It's always better to create another IAM user. It's safer that you don't use your root user. Once this is continue to your address confirmation, type your name, address, postcode, all the details. It's going to be you can have free tire offer and select it for free. And choose a payment method. Type in your payment method here, billing address, and now you need to confirm your identity. Confirmation. Now you need to select a support plan. So if you are an individual and just practicing, you can go with basic for free. But if you are looking for something more deeper, or if you are a developer, you can go with developer support from $29 per month. This will give you recommended for this is for developers. Email access to AWS support during business hours. It's going to be 12 hours response times. But free tier also have access to all resources that you can go on AWS accounts, personal dashboard and everything. It has help dashboard, trusted advisor, all the resources you can access for yourself. And there is a business support from $100 per month. And this is again for business owners that you are looking for something more experienced with production workloads on AWS. There is 24/7 tech support with email, phone, or chat. There is 1 hour response time and full set trusted advisor best practice recommendations. There is another option which is enterprise level support. This is going to be the price is from 15,000 a month, and you will receive 15 minutes response times and concierge style experience with experienced technical account manager. So you will have a technical account manager assigned for yourself. And this is all. Your account is now set and activated. When you get confirmation, it may take a little while to access the training, so wait for 24 hours. Once the 24 hours are passed, you can get access to all the training and instructions, and you can go to getting started page and start practicing. This was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and click on like and subscribe and wait for more. I will see you in my next video. Bye.